just wanted to show you the pop figures they have right now for Smallfoot. We really like that movie. It's really good. So let's just show you what pop figures we found for the movie. This is my favorite one because this is Migo, the main character of the movie. Here's Michi. She's really cool also. She looks cool as a pop figure. It's really pretty. Oh, okay. Here's Percy. This is the one that they were also fascinated with. And last, we got the Stonekeeper. Here's the Stonekeeper. This is the last one from Smallfoot, $5.97.
There's only 5 in the set.
Yeah, there's only 5 in the set, so that was all 5 we got to show you. You know, sometimes it's rare to find all of the whole set, so they have a whole set right here. So that's all of them. So there's a whole set right there. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone. Comment if you like this one.